Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote start in the newly refreshed 2023 Kia Telluride. I have in front of me here an X-Pro all-wheel drive in jungle green with sage green interior. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, this is the new key fob for the newly refreshed Telluride, and right now it's very cold out here. We're sitting at about minus 20 degrees Celsius, if not more, with the wind chill. So we're gonna get this car warmed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the lock button at the top here, and then I'm gonna flip it around and press and hold that side button there that says hold on it for a few seconds. The lights are gonna flash, and now the vehicle has started. And the lights are flashing just to confirm with us that we have started the car, but there won't be any visual indicator on the outside of the car. No lights will stay on to let us know that it's running. It's just confirmed that it has. So the vehicle will run up to 10 minutes before it turns itself off, just in case you don't come out or do anything with it. And if you want to cancel the remote start, you can go ahead and just hit the hold button again, and then it will turn that off. But what we're going to do is head inside, and you can either hit unlock on your key fob here, or I'm going to just place my hand inside of the door because it will unlock that now. And once I get inside, confirming it will remember what you last set your climate control to. Man, my hand is cold. It will remember what side, and I did these separately just to make sure that everything stayed the same. So if you're going to use the actual physical remote start versus the Kia Connect app, you can go ahead and get it started. Just remember to set your heat to whatever temperature you want, hot or cold, I guess, for the next time you go to use the actual remote start. And right now, everything turned on the second I sat in the car. So I didn't even have to hit anything. It knows the key fob is in here. I closed the door, everything turned on, and now it's ready to go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.